Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Okay, so we're comparing the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo and the Jura E6 Platinum, both super-automatic espresso machines. The first thing that jumps out at me is the price difference. The De'Longhi is significantly cheaper.
Yeah, that's a huge difference. The Jura is definitely a premium product. But what are you getting for that extra money?
Well, the Jura boasts a professional aroma grinder that they claim grinds 12.2% more aroma and an 8th-generation brewing unit with 3D brewing technology. The De'Longhi just says it has a built-in conical burr grinder with 13 settings.
So the Jura is making a big deal about optimizing the brewing process. What about ease of use?
The De'Longhi has 6 one-touch recipes with color icons, while the Jura has an intuitive color display and integrated maintenance programs. Both sound pretty user-friendly. The Jura also has an optional pre-ground chute, which is nice if you sometimes want to use pre-ground coffee.
I noticed the De'Longhi makes iced coffee, which is cool. Does the Jura do that?
It doesn't specifically mention iced coffee as a one-touch recipe, but it does have a hot water function, so you could probably make it manually. The De'Longhi also has a traditional milk frother, which some people prefer.
Good point. I like the old-school frothers. What about cleaning?
The De'Longhi highlights removable and dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleaning. The Jura mentions self-cleaning in less than 60 seconds. I'd probably research both to see which is truly easier to maintain.
What about size and weight? I don't have a ton of counter space.
The De'Longhi is 17.32, DX 9.45, WX 14.17H, and weighs 20.8 pounds. The Jura is 11, DX 17.6, WX 13.H, and weighs 22 pounds. So the Jura is slightly wider and heavier, but also less deep.
Okay, so the Jura seems focused on brewing perfection and has some premium features, but it's significantly more expensive. The De'Longhi is more budget-friendly and offers a good range of features, including iced coffee and dishwasher-safe parts.
Exactly. It really boils down to how serious you are about your espresso and how much you're willing to spend. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.